Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings, then scroll down, choose biometrics and security, select face recognition and enter your current login method. Now you need to read the disclaimer and tap continue. Then answer the question, do you wear glasses? In my case no, so I can click continue right away. Now, if you want to turn on or off stay on lock screen until swipe feature, click on the switcher over here. Then, when you're done, click done. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!